have a TV studio, we have a dedicated editing bay, lights, camera, action.
Our film TV media program teaches hands-on career-building skills for all students.
We have a team of professors who have years of entertainment industry experience.
The program has associate degrees, proficiency awards, and certificates for achievements. So whether it is to transfer or find a job in the industry, we have a pathway for you.
Moorpark College is the only institution around to have the industry standard Avid Media Composer software, which I know will help me in my career.
As part of FTVM, any enrolled students in the FTVM program have access to the studio, lighting systems, microphone systems, audio systems, as well as editing systems, all as part of the FTVM program here at Moorpark College.
We have a designated film club in which the students can network.
And they can be part of a community of directors, producers, editors, and screenwriters.
Our homework is all project-based, like music videos, talent shows, productions like that.
And now a few words from our students.
Honestly, some of the limitations we have because it forces us to be more creative.
I mean, we even have an Ursa that we can use, so that's pretty cool.
Now have all the tools I need and the knowledge and know-how.
For more information, go to mcftvm.com and register at moorparkcollege.edu.